How to get 1 month free Discord Nitro via Epic Games. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about getting 1 month free of Discord Nitro. So it is a great news that Epic Games and Discord are giving away a free month of Discord Nitro. This offer is available from May 15th to June 12th, 2025, and anyone can claim it, even if you had Nitro before, and here's how you can get it. You need to go ahead and launch your Epic Games Store on your device, then simply search for Discord Nitro, tap on Get or tap on Add to Cart. Now simply go ahead and check this box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on Place Order, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. You will see the order for $0. And after you've done that, you will receive the Nitro promotion link by email within 48 hours. Keep in mind that this offer might not be available to all the users and may require a credit card. So the popular method is getting a 1-day Nitro subscription. While it's not long, these offers appear frequently. So that's it. This is a way to get Nitro for free for a month. So let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.